Okay, now I'm going to show you how to do the fire alarm testing for custom Boschen panel. So we're going to do the fire alarm testing by supplying 24 VDC to this panel, to the input S plus and S minus, and we're going to do that by connecting a gas detector to this gas control panel, first panel, and then from this panel it will send signal through this input and will trigger the fire alarm. So this is how we do the wiring connection. Okay, one is for negative and one is for positive. Okay, two is for negative and three is for signal. Then we connect to this gas control panel. So for GND we use blue colored wire. For signal we use green colored wire, and for live we use brown color wire. So that is for the connection between gas detector and gas control panel. Okay, and then we must do a connection here where we connect from first panel to second panel. Okay, and then the first connection is done, and after that we must do a looping. Okay, however for this I think I did a wrong connection. It's supposed to be connected in a different port. Okay, okay. And from this okay, and then from this input we must connect this input to the GND of the first gas control panel. Okay. Okay, we have to check back the connection. Okay, I think everything is done. So let's turn on these two panel. Okay, now for the testing we will supply gas to this gas detector, and before that we must make sure that this panel is doesn't show 0 in this panel. The panel doesn't show 0 numbers, so we have to wait like for several minutes. Okay, now it's done. Oh, let's apply the gas and see. If it's trigger the fire alarm. Okay, like I mentioned before, this this input must be supplied with 24 VDC. So in order to check the power supply, we will use multimeter. Okay, okay, let's see. Okay, as you can see, it is 24 VDC. Okay, it just that it doesn't trigger any fire alarm. So if these things occurs during your wiring connection, it means that the wiring connection is done wrongly. So you have to switch this connection here. Okay, now let's connect these two input. Okay, now let's perform back the fire alarm. Okay. As usual, we must wait for all the panels, 4 panels in this custom Boshin panels to shows non-zero value. Okay, after that we will supply the gas.
liquid và vapor có tiếng gì có thành gì có thành gì có đầu thì hơi